Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring the frame precisely so the net fits snugly. Note width and height. You choose a mesh based on insect size and UV resistance to ensure durability and airflow. Once done, clear the sill and remove hardware that blocks attachment. This prevents bulges. Make sure to have scissors, staple gun, screws, and a level at hand. You act now to cut the net slightly larger than frame for overlap and to avoid rework. You start fixing the net at top corner with a staple or clip, holding moderate tension so it lays flat without stretching the fibers. Then move to the opposite corner to balance tension. This prevents wrinkles and sagging. Once both corners are set, add staples or clips along the sides every 5-10 cm, smoothing as you go. Make sure to keep tension consistent, trim excess material, but leave a small margin for a neat tuck or binding later on. You finish by tucking the overlap into the frame channel or applying a trim strip to lock the net. This gives a tidy edge and prevents fraying. Once installed, inspect all sides for gaps and press a foam gasket or weather strip into any loose areas to improve seal and insect protection. If you notice sagging later, restretch from the center toward the loose side and install additional fasteners every few centimeters. If problems persist, check anchor points and replace any damaged clips immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.